You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. This is from the same verb, which is pronounced weaken, to weaken, which is to make something less powerful. This is the meaning, weaken. The past tense or the participle is pronounced weakened, so it's not weekend, weakened. So your top word on your screen here is pronounced weakened, weakened. The bottom word, weaken. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.